Welcome to GTV Studio, your trusted destination for the latest updates in education, careers and student access. Are you searching for the best online tuition classes in Hyderabad? Whether you are preparing for your school exams, NEET, JEE, IIT Foundation or Olympiads, choosing the right learning platform can make all the difference. Today, we are introducing two innovative platforms that are helping thousands of students achieve academic excellence. Those are NEETWALAZ and Graviity Cloud. Why online tuitions? The way students learn has completely changed. Online education is now smarter, more flexible and more personalized than ever before. With online tuitions, students can learn from experienced faculty without traveling, attend live interactive classes from home, re-watch recorded sessions anytime, practice with online tests and assignments, track their academic progress regularly, save valuable travel time and focus more on learning. Whether you are studying in CBSE, ICSE, State Board or preparing for competitive exams, online learning has become an essential part of academic success. But choosing the right platform is the key. If your dream is to become a doctor, then NEETWALAZ is designed especially for you. NEETWALAZ provides complete preparation for NEET UG, IIT Foundation, school academics, competitive entrance examinations. But what makes NEETWALAZ different? Expert faculty with years of teaching experience, live interactive classes where students can ask questions instantly, high quality study materials prepared according to the latest syllabus, daily practice questions and mock tests, regular performance analysis and personalized guidance, doubt solving sessions to ensure every concept becomes crystal clear. Whether you are beginning your preparation or aiming to improve your rank, NEETWALAZ offers the right academic support to help you reach your goals. Success begins with strong concepts, consistent practice and expert mentorship. And that's what exactly NEETWALAZ delivers. Now let's talk about the technology that powers modern education, Graviity Cloud. Graviity Cloud is a smart digital learning program platform built for educational institutions, teachers, students and parents. Its powerful features include live online classrooms, recorded video lectures, online attendance, digital assignments, practice tests, student progress reports, parent communication, secure cloud-based learning management. With Graviity Cloud, education becomes accessible anytime, anywhere. Schools, colleges, coaching institutes and tuition centers can manage their complete academic ecosystem through one intelligent platform. Learning is no longer limited to the classroom. It's available whenever students are and wherever students are. Education is evolving and students who embrace technology gain a competitive advantage. If you are looking for the best online tuition platform in Hyderabad, explore the expert coaching of NEETWALAZ and experience the future of digital education with Graviity Cloud. For admissions, course details or free counseling, contact the respective teams today and take the first step towards academic excellence. This is GTV Studio bringing you the latest educational opportunities that shape your future. Contact details are in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell for more education updates from GTV Studio.